Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel and also to click the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified and you won't miss my video. And remember to give me a thumbs up, a like on my video so that you'll give me more motivation to share with you more of my future unboxing. Okay, today you can see from my heading, I am going to unbox. I got a bit crazy with Celine, as you know, and today I'm going to share with you my unboxing of my Celine perfume, which I have got. Yeah, okay, you can see on in the video that I got like these three small bag. Yeah, these are all I just put it to display, but all these are the sample that all the range that I got from Celine. That is all the different so-called the scents that I got it. So all these three bags are full of the sample. Yeah, so I got it from them whenever I purchase. So I already got so-called the full collection. Okay, so now now let's start with today unboxing. So can you guys guess how many I got it? How many perfume that I got it? Okay, let me share with you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, actually I got 4 of their so-called perfume. Yeah, you can see if you first time seeing this unboxing of this perfume. Okay, their perfume I would say is quite costly. It's quite high the price, but nevertheless, because they are so-called like hot perfumery, so their perfume tend to be long lasting as well as quite strong. Yeah, and I tried out the sample and actually I got 4 of it. Basically they're quite nice so depend on which one. So I cannot remember because I already got it. I cannot exactly remember which perfume I got it. Later I shall unbox one with you to show you the packaging. Yeah, so I think if I'm not wrong, I got is Paris, black tie, Saint Germain. Yeah, Saint Germain. Yeah, I think I got is this. Okay, anyway, you guys can't smell the fragrance so if you like it, just go into Celine to try out the perfume whether you like it or not. And yeah, and actually the packaging I would say is really very nice. Yeah, so their perfume is almost quite high, as I mentioned. It's almost like Louis Vuitton price, so it's quite costly, but if you like it, yeah, it's worth it. And it's, I'm not wrong, it's available in 2 sizes. So I think it's 100 ml and 150, I'm not wrong. Okay, so I got is the smaller one. I think they only got 2 sizes only. So I got the smaller one so that I can have a more variety. Yeah, so if I really like it, I might collect the whole series. And recently I know that they come out with a collection. So it's a miniature that is a full collection that is on sale. So it comes in a box with all their collection in the small miniature. So if you are keen to try, you can get that. Yes, because it show it's all the collection, but it's in miniature size, so you don't have to spend so much on one bottle if you really don't like it or you yet to find the scent that suits you. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you the perfume. Yeah, so these are all I yet to unbox, so I shall unbox one bottle with you to let you show how does the presentation look like. Yeah, okay, so yeah, sorry, this is, I think it is 100, yeah, it's 100 ml and 150 ml if I'm not wrong, and I got is all 100 ml for this 4 bottle. Okay, so I shall start with today unboxing to show you. Okay, so on the top is actually the sticker, and this is transparent plastic. Yeah, okay, so let me show you how does the bottle and the packaging look like. So every time you unbox a perfume, you have to be careful. If you are not careful, you might even break the whole bottle. So you just have to be a bit careful. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is how it look like. It's really very nice. Yeah. So I shall show you nearer before I take out the bottle. So it came with the standard white Celine box. Yeah. So it printed Celine Paris here. Then there is a black ribbon all over the top of the and the two side of the box. Okay, so this is how it look like. Yeah. Okay, and below is just some of the information on the perfume. Yeah. Okay, so this is quite. If you do not know, you will take out the ribbon. Actually, there is a one way of opening the perfume. It's not the you unbox. So you just have to. If I'm not wrong, you just have to push this ribbon. Oh. I remember you give me a guys, hold on. Okay. Okay, this is how you do it. I remember I saw from somebody. So you just have to push the ribbon to the back or front. Yeah, then it's out. So this okay, this is how the perfume look like. It's really very nice. Yeah, I would say the bottle is very nice, very classy, and the top is magnetic top. It's just like the Dior perfume is magnetic top. Yeah. So yes, I would say it's very nice. The packaging is simple yet nice, and you return this. This is what I got Parade. Yeah, Parade is what I got for this one. Yeah, and yeah, so maybe I should show you all nearer. Yeah, so actually all their bottle is the same. It's just that depend on which fragrance you got it. So I just unboxed one to show you guys. Yeah, it's all exactly the same. Okay, so this is how the bottle look like. Yeah, so you can see here written Parade on the paper. This is 100 ml. Yeah, so you can see it's very simple and yet classy bottle. Yeah, and this is the magnetic top. Then the cap, there is a Celine logo on the top. Yeah, and as well as the spray here. Yeah, so there is also logo here. Yeah, so the below is how it is look like. This is 100 ml. Okay, so hope you guys like my today sharing of my Celine perfume unboxing. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you have yet to subscribe. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye. See you guys again.